Hi, this is Amy with Line Dance Salt Lake, Utah. Are you ready to get your line dance on? Hi, let's show you the steps to every little honky tonk bar. Weight's going to start on our left foot, leaving our right foot free. We're going to do rocking chairs. Rocking forward with our right foot. Rock, recover, back, recover. Next, we're going to do a triple quarter turn to our left. Triple quarter turn. We're going to do a rock, recover, rock, recover. Next section, we're going to do toe strut, starting with our left foot. Toe, strut, cross toe, strut, triple to the side, rock, recover. Next section, we're going to slide out to the right, slide, touch, kick, ball, change, slide, touch, kick, ball, change. Same thing back over to the left. Now we're going to do 2 quarter pivots. Step out with your right, pivot to your left, out with your right, pivot to the left. Next, we're going to do a jazz box. So we're going to cross, back, side with a step back onto our left foot. So now we can repeat the dance on our new wall, second wall right here. And those are the steps. Let's go over the counts to this dance. Remember, the weight starts on our left foot, leaving our right foot free. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the dance starts over again on your new wall. This dance has a tag in it. It's just a small little tag, 4 counts. It comes on wall 3 after the first 8 counts. I start the dance at this wall. Wall 1 ends here and wall 2 picks up here. Wall 2 starts here, ends here. Wall 3 starts here, and this is where I'm going to show you the first 8 counts and then show you what the tag looks like. So we're going to dance the first 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, rock, 7, 8. Weight is on my right foot. We're going to do a quarter, turn back with our back foot, half, step forward, and a scuff. And that's where the dance will start over again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. And then the dance will continue from there. And that is your tag. Hey, thanks for watching. You could be a line dance slut too. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the dance floor.